Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we shall use the use of article and prepositions on some passages. This is the first passage and we shall discuss the prepositions to fill some gaps. Swami Vivekananda was a multi-dimensional personality who contributed a lot. So multi-dimensional personality means personality with various aspects. We are using the name of Swami Vivekananda for the first time, and that is why we are using the A article here. A multi-dimensional personality who contributed a lot to making the modern India. With the verb contribute, we always use the preposition to. This is an appropriate preposition. That is why we are using to here to making the modern India. In 1931, Romain Rolland, this is the name of a person, Romain Rolland, deeply moved by his writings. Here his writing means Swami Vivekananda's writings, letters and speeches. Wrote, here wrote means that person wrote, that Romain Rolland wrote. His words are great music. Phrases in the style of, which style? We have to use the preposition in the style of Beethoven, starring rhythms on the march of Handel. Handel is a name, and here on the march of means which is advancing, which is progressing. This is meant on the march of. This is the second paragraph, and we shall notice here also the prepositions and articles in this paragraph. Owing to gap between demand and supply. After owing, we will use the preposition to. Owing to means for this reason. Okay, so owing to gap between demand and supply. Demand and supply are two different things, and we shall use between for them. So between the gap between demand and supply of electricity power, the government of West Bengal has passed an order. O is here a vowel, and that is why we are using an order imposing restriction on the consumption. Restriction, we use restriction on the consumption, restriction on the use, this type of words. That is why we are using here restriction on the consumption. Here consumption means use. Use made, here the meaning is consumption of electricity, use of electricity made by industrial units. Here industrial units means industrial factories, industrial offices and industrial other units. Okay, so made by industrial units. So I think the concept of these two passages is clear to you. If you think this video is useful, then please give a like and share this video to your friends and relatives. Thank you all. We are meeting in the next video.